Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm going to be filming a quick unboxing for you. As you can see, I have my Louis Vuitton large agenda and a beautiful white box beneath it, or just beside it rather. So I'm going to go ahead and get right into it. As you know, it is the end of 2022. The holidays have sort of snuck up on us. Who would have thought? Christmas is less than a week away. And this is the time of year where I typically like to reflect on the year that passed and what I've accomplished, what goals I set for myself earlier on, or even at the end of last year, what goals I've accomplished, and what goals I'm looking to set for the new year. So I thought, what better time than any to start organizing my planner. So I'm going to go ahead and get right into it. This is a brand new unboxing. As you can see, I did not open this package before. Oh, there we go. And this is my package from 8LOTUS. Very excited. If you have not used 8LOTUS before, I will link my code with them down below for a discount. 8LOTUS does different planner options. So they have several printable options on their website. You can log into their website and they have plenty of PDF and download items available that you can print yourself at home, or you can actually order the printed items yourself to be shipped to home. Now, while we do have a printer, I typically like to order their printed options already. It comes on a very nice quality paper. It's the perfect size. The holes are already punched in. So all I have to do is put it into my agenda and voila, I'm all set. One thing I do want to apologize for is the lighting. I am filming this at night. It is approximately almost 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. Eastern time. I'm exhausted. I've had a very long day. I have work tomorrow. I have another work event tomorrow evening, so I have to go into New York City for that. So I am wiped. But I did want to go ahead and do this for you because I am so excited to get started on my agenda and my planner organization. So look how cute is this. It comes with a nice little thank you note. So cute. Let's see what it says on the back. Thank you for supporting our studio. We sincerely hope you enjoy your purchase. So I like to support small businesses. I like to support local as well as women-owned businesses. So 8LOTUS is definitely one of those smaller businesses if you're looking to support. There's the January 2023 month ahead look. And then here's a little card on planner owner. You can put your information to indicate who the planner belongs to. Super cute. I will definitely use these. I'm going to put those aside. And let's see what goodies we have here. Oh my goodness, so cute. So without making a mess, I'm just going to open this up. Let's see what's in here. All right. So I've got quite a few different planner options. Now they do have a wide variety. They have planner inserts, stickers. I believe they have some notepads. You'll see some, I want to say this is like vellum paper, sort of see-through to set up your months ahead. So cute. And I'll go through each one of those. You have the year ahead. So you have the entire year laid out with each month. And then you have your monthly planner. I am a list person. I like to list out my goals and my to-do lists, goals that I'm setting for myself, things I want to accomplish. But in the list option, I will probably use that to list out more like my to-dos. I can probably use it for social media, organizing my channel and content I want to film for you guys. So that'll be really nice. And it's double-sided. And like I said, it comes with the holes punched already. So as long as you choose the right size, you're good to go. And this is the A6 size. Here's the goal planner. So you have the goal, details and why, research and strategy behind it, whether or not you've achieved it, and you got a little check mark option, the date it was created, and the deadline you give yourself. And then here's some more information. And then you have 2 goals per page. So you have the top half for your first goal, the second bottom half for the second. And again, these are dual-sided, so you make the most out of your pages. I don't like to be wasteful. This one's neat. So I do a lot of online ordering. You'll see that in my channel, on my Instagram stories rather, and on my Instagram page. So I like to keep track of my orders. They oftentimes get lost in my emails or on my phone. So this is nice to have. You can list out the date that you ordered the item, the description of what it is, and then the amount. And then you can check mark off as you receive the item. So that's really nice. So this is new to me. This is a following tracker. So this is for social media so that you can measure your platform's success, how many followers you have, whether or not you've grown or decreased. Now, I know that there's lots of sort of data and metrics around both Instagram as well as YouTube, but I like to follow it week by week and just understand, if I'm looking at a week in a glance, how much I've grown by, how much I've decreased by. You can on YouTube look at metrics based on the last 7 days as opposed to the last 30 days. But the last 7 days, it doesn't really, for me, it's sort of unclear. I like to have specific dates and understand the comparison of like last Sunday compared to this Sunday or last Monday compared to this Monday. So again, dual-sided. This is just an extra packet of notes. So I can just take free notes if I have some ideas, things I want to film for you guys, different content options. And then here you have the 2023, that vellum paper. So that'll be sort of like the entry, like the first page. This, I always like to have some positive vibes, positive quotes, especially as I'm entering the new year. I'm a firm believer of affirmations, positive affirmations, manifesting. I do try to meditate as often as possible. I don't do it as often as I should or as I'd like, but I do try to do it. So here you have positive mind, positive vibes, positive life, which I thought was really nice. Put that right in your planner as a reminder. And then here are the monthly inserts that I mentioned. I'll open those up so you can see them, but before I do, this is the month at a glance, or the year at a glance rather, broken out by month. And then in the back, you have a Q4, so a quarterly review. So for each quarter, if you've set goals, you can write about each quarter's review. So whether you've accomplished anything, where you see opportunities for improvement, and then just some additional notes so that you can check in with yourself and monitor your progress as you work through the year on accomplishing your goals. And then for each month, I really like this. I used this last time as well. So here you have your priorities, so top 4 priorities for the month. So you have them sort of front and center right at the top, depending on what those priorities are. And then you have the rest of the month's plan. At the bottom, you have a section for important dates. So birthdays, anniversaries, parties, certain things like that. And then this is the back of each page. You have a to-do list for the month. You have a monthly review, practicing gratitude, which is really important. Accomplishments, lessons, and notes. So that's really nice. And then this is the monthly inserts that I mentioned. And I will link the Infinite Lotus website down below. Now they were bombarded when I ordered. I ordered beginning of December. And I know that they got quite a few orders for Black Friday. They had a special going on. I did not take advantage of that special, although I wish I had, but that's okay. I'm still very happy with the products and the items. I would highly recommend. I love their stuff. It's good quality, very pretty, and it's a nice, easy way of customizing your planner. I find customizing your planner is always fun because it suits your needs and your desires. You don't have to go by a custom or rather a, stocked, typical planner or agenda. You can kind of create your own and customize it. So there's January, you've got February, March, and I won't go through all of them, but just so you can see, there are these beautiful numbers laid out. 5 for May, the number 6. Let me pull that out so you can really see. Oh, I have another one behind it. So this is that paper that I was mentioning, the vellum paper. It's pretty thick, good quality, not flimsy at all. And I like to put it on the front section for each month. So as I go organizing my planner, my agenda, I can go ahead and carve it out all the different months. Let me know if you guys would be interested in seeing how I organize my agenda and a full organization review. I